There's a lot of really shady things happening on the internet when it comes to sort of coins that you can buy and sell, so you need to be very, very cautious. Look at this coin right here. So this coin looks like a genuine 1943 bronze planchet coin, but in reality, you can buy these right now on Etsy for about $5. And the reason that is because it's a normal zinc-coated steel planchet, but what they did was they coated the coin in a copper coating to make it appear like the very rare and scarce bronze planchet coin that's worth a lot of money. Immediately, a way to tell if you have a 1943 zinc-coated steel planchet that has been altered and copper-coated is if you stick it to a magnet, it is going to stick. But if you have a genuine 1943 coin struck on a bronze planchet like this one that sold for $504,000, then that coin would not stick to a magnet. But again, if your 1943 coin sticks to a magnet, that means that you have a zinc-coated steel planchet, and it's not going to be worth nearly as much as a true, genuine bronze planchet coin from 1943. And essentially the backstory on these coins is during this time, they transitioned over to a zinc-coated steel planchet because they needed bronze for ammunition for the war efforts. And this 1943 coin should have never been struck on a bronze planchet like it is now. And that's why it sold for $504,000. So if you come across a coin like this, make sure you get it looked at by a reputable coin dealer who knows what they're looking at. I have a completely free ebook on my channel. It goes over coin handling, coin values, and grades. All you need to do is put in your email address and I'll send you that book absolutely free. There's a link down below, but you don't have to do that. What I would do is just keep doing your research, doing your homework, and make sure if you come across a coin like this that you're getting the true value of your coin. Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next video.